What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 7th of March. It's 5:15 in the morning. Excuse me. We are looking at Bed Bath & Beyond this morning. Going to look at a daily chart, discuss a couple things here as the stock continues to slide to the downside. It is a dicey game playing with these low price stocks that are in where the company is in trouble. There is some nice bounces you can make, but you got to keep some tight stops and have some thick skin. So let's jump into the charts and discuss a couple things I see here and wrap this video up. So welcome, guys. I appreciate all of the subscribers as always. So here we are looking at a daily chart of ticker symbol BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. Yesterday, looks like we had another fantastic day for the bears, I should say. Down 6.71%. Pretty good resistance right at $1.55. We have basically an unchanged candle on the second and have kind of continued back to the downside. We're testing the lows, or we're getting close, I should say, to testing the lows on the 28th of February of $1.36. Let's zoom into the charts real quick, guys. Things can happen quick here with these low price stocks, and you have to be kind of prepared for anything to the downside and to the upside. So I have, well, let's take a step back real quick. I have this circle still here from previous Bed Bath & Beyond videos. This is an important low here. Right now, that is basically our line in the sand. Ideally, you want to see that hold if you're going to see any kind of a bull rally here, any kind of a pop or pump to the upside. That low is $1.27. I could tell you that yesterday's candle is not very appealing for the bulls. Down 6% day, close on the bottom tick. Doesn't give me much confidence, I should say, for a pop to the upside. So that $1.27 is that low. You want to see that hold ideally. Now there is a possibility of a shakeout where they basically run the stock below that level. It'll be a big candle wick. It'll close above. You can see that kind of like what took place here, where you see a bullish breakout, but then it has a candle wick, and it actually continues in the other direction. It's basically a shakeout. So you can see that, one on the upside, two on the downside. So that's a possibility. Below the market, guys, I have two potential support areas. We have one right here at $1.34, and then we have one slightly lower at $1.22. Now, of course, there's no guarantee that they will hold, but as price approaches those, I'll be watching for price to find support there. If price doesn't find support at $1.34, that's number one. Number two would be $1.22, and it continues lower and doesn't hold or doesn't trade back above those prices, there is some more serious downside to come for this stock. So if you're looking, one, to buy this stock, two, for somewhere to find support, and of course, this is not financial advice, guys. I could totally be wrong here. I would personally be looking at $1.34, and if that doesn't work, $1.22. Just understand, though, company's in trouble. It's a super low price stock. The volatility can be very, very uneasy. So trade appropriately, have your stops in place, and so on. Kind of playing roulette with some of these, but they're fun, and that's why we like to talk about them. So $1.34 and $1.22, guys, is the two levels that I have right now for potential support as this stock continues lower. Now, on a percentage basis from where we closed yesterday, which was $1.39, $1.34 puts us down another 3 to 4%, and then $1.22 would put you down basically another 12 to 13%. It looks like the pre-market hours, we are up slightly. I don't know. Let's see here if I do have Bed Bath & Beyond up here on Yahoo Finance. It looks like we're trading at $1.42 this morning, so nothing crazy. We're up 2.16%. Looks like Bed Bath & Beyond was removed from the small cap index. We're going to head back to the charts here, guys. Guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you have been around for a while, appreciate all of your time checking out the videos and being a subscriber to the channel. So guys, we have talked about this in previous videos that I have these upper targets here in the 7s to 9 and even higher. Now, it doesn't mean they're going to get hit by any means. It means that if price does get back up to that level, I would look for basically that would be my target, an area that I would look for resistance for the price. So the same goes with below the market. We have these two, since we're trending down right now, we have these two lower potential support / target areas at $1.34 and $1.22. I would look for price to get there before any kind of a bounce. And yesterday's close was not very good for the bulls. And it looks like there's a good chance we're going to undercut the low, which was put in on the 28th. And that is $1.36. And that could take us easily to $1.34. Maybe even a test today of $1.22. If we take a step back here, I want to show you something else on the charts. Keep in mind, RSI is not that oversold. It can go much, much further to the downside. So basically our last, from top to bottom here, was basically 142 days. So from the last major pump to the upside to our low was 142 days. So if we do that to where we're at now, we'll do one here. That puts us at 28 days. And then from here puts us at 53 days. So if we do from the date of the 12th of January, we still have another, well over 50 days to go to even match that 142. So anyways, that is that for this stock. Not too much to talk about here. It looks like we're going to get a new low printed, unfortunately, but it just is what it is. And like I said, these things are a little bit dicey to be trading and investing in. It doesn't look like we have gotten that waterfall move yet, which can and does come in at a lot of bottoms where you'll trend down like this. And then all of a sudden things will get super, super ugly. And that is usually at least some kind of a short-term bottom. And then you get that move higher. So we're still just kind of trending down. I mean, we could be in for that waterfall move right now where, the price drops like this and then we get some kind of a relief rally. But that is just pure speculation right now. Price as of yesterday, the close tells us that the price is basically ready to undercut the low, put in a new recent low, maybe down to the $1.22, $1.34. Keeping in mind, there's always a possibility, though, that you can do a shakeout. So let me clean the charts up real quick, and we'll show you what I'm talking about here. We'll zoom in a bit. So we could do something like this. Today's candle could be a nasty move to the downside. It could leave us with a candle wick, and we could actually close up on the day like that. So it would be essentially a shakeout to a rally bullish candle. It's a possibility. So I wanted to put it out there. Keep in mind, guys, these low price stocks, capable of anything. Big moves in either direction. Extremely fast. They are cheap. They are easy to move. by the insiders, the whales, call them what you will. So a wrap up, guys, is unfortunately not looking too good here for Bed Bath & Beyond. But like I said, anything's possible with these low price stocks. And we have seen some nice pumps in price going back, but it looks like right now that there's further downside to come before we see any kind of pop like that. Hey, hopefully I'm wrong, and maybe we see a move to the upside, but looking like $1.34 to $1.22 before any kind of rally to the upside. All right, guys, you have a great day. Not financial advice. Please make your own financial decisions. Let me know some other stocks you want to have some videos made. Leave them down in the comments. I'll check them out. Apple looks really good right now, although there is a gap below the market. XLM doesn't look too hot. Looks like it's heading lower. Casper still showing some weakness. Snapchat, we are going to try to buy Snap today. Not financial advice. It looks like it's getting ready to make a big pop to the upside. So we're going to try to get on board unless it moves too much in pre-market hours, but time will tell. So check out Snapchat, check out Apple, but keep in mind the Apple gap is a concern. Stocks kind of want to fill that gap before they continue higher. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. Thanks.